Hey guys, it is week 4. I am thankful in a way that I haven't been able to work, but not really. Kind of missing the income of working, but I am getting a ton of stuff done, and I actually refocused a little bit of what I'm doing as far as the 12-week challenge goes. I am still nursing a really messed up knee. Luckily, the swelling has gone down, but other than that, it hasn't gotten a whole lot better. So I got like another 10 days before I go back to the doctor. So I'm just going to keep doing what I can do. As far as the week, at the end of week 4, I had a monthly report and things are looking up. Things are looking up. We are getting more reach and more engagement on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. We're getting more on YouTube Longs and YouTube Shorts. I have been able to put merch on the website along with another new piece of art that I am also, if you check my videos out, I have another video series that I'm doing on Photo Director 365, which is what I'm using to transform raw AI images, edit them, make them my own. And that's actually, for some people, it might be a little bit on the boring side, but if you're interested in like learning and you don't know, like me, I'm not a graphic artist. I don't know these things by trade or anything else. I'm fumbling around and finding out. So if you're like me and you just want some tips from somebody who I guess kind of figured a couple things out, watch that video series. It takes raw all the way up to finished. I say finished because the finished video, I ended up going back and redoing a couple more videos in that series because I actually ended up going, you know what? I don't like this final product. And that's okay because that's art. I mean, I've heard of 100 people who are artists, that are painters, getting almost completely done with their picture and going, I don't like it. And they just white it all out, so they're starting from fresh canvas. And luckily I didn't have to do that, but I did go back. Basically what it was is the colors weren't right. I just, when I was looking at the image and getting it ready to put on the website, I'm like, it's just not there. So I not redid the videos. I did a second set of videos about the colors, doing them in a different way than what I had shown in the first one. So merch is live on the website. We've got Kaosivity.com, beautiful coffee mugs. These are big coffee mugs too. They're 15 ounce. They're big enough for a hefty cup of coffee, a double shot of tea, or you can fit a 12 ounce can of beer in there, but not quite a tall boy. So these are great. They're good heavy duty cups. I like them. I'm glad I got them. I have another print coming of the second image, which is Conjure of Death, which is on the website. Go take a look at that. I have another print coming for that one. I also bought myself a mouse pad because I thought it was really cool. So I was like, hey, what else can I get with that image on there? So I will be posting the third image later this week, getting all the print-on-demand stuff ready for it. But I'm succeeding. I'm doing what I set out to do, and I'm making myself do it every week because I wrote it down. And if it isn't written, it isn't true. So a lot of what I was struggling with in the initial part was just going, oh, did I remember to do this? Oh, did I remember to do that? And the fact of the matter is I have a checklist. I check it off. I did it. Okay, it's done. I don't have to come back on Thursday and think, did I do that on Monday? No, it's all there. It's all done, and it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Now, could it grow faster? Absolutely. I've seen some people, YouTube Cinderellas that have just gone, shoom, a million views on their first video. I'm not that tech savvy. I throw together my own thumbnails. I throw together my own titles. I just do what's necessary to do because I'm just me. And I can put all of this research and all of this time into studying and doing what the gurus tell you to do, or I can just do what I do. And I would rather be authentic. I would rather be me, not trying to be some fast talking, hey, let me tell you the 10 greatest things about the new YouTube algorithm, because I don't know. I just don't. So I appreciate the support and all the love that we've gotten over time, whether it be on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, X. I don't even know if I've gotten any love on X because I'm not tracking that one because I don't really interact with it. But that's what's great is I'm doing what I set out to do in the 12-week challenge. Now I am going to change something up. I was doing 6 blog posts a week, and I'm getting a lot of content on the website, but I have decided to transfer that focus to getting out more of these kind of tutorials on YouTube where I'm actually letting people behind the scenes and seeing what I'm doing with my images as I take it from raw AI, which we know is not copyrightable, and I do a bunch of steps to it and create what I see in my vision, what I see in my mind's eye. Like I can look at some of the stuff I've been getting out of AI lately is awesome. It's flat out awesome. But I can take a look at that and go, you know what? I think this would be better. This is more my personality. This is more my artistic style. And that's what I'm doing to these images. So if you want to watch those, I'll link one of them up. Well, either here or there. I mean, that's how it goes. And you can follow me on those things. Otherwise, the rest of the week, I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. I'll get some more new stuff up on the website. Go over there and check it out. The merch is really cool. And of course, I can always use your support. So until next time, guys, let the chaos out. Become creative. If I can do this, anyone can do this. So until next time, guys, we'll see you.